Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the original save so you can undo mistakes. Copy the file to a separate folder. Next, locate the Wrestling Empire save on your device or emulator. Make sure you're viewing hidden system folders if needed. Once found, install a reliable hex or save editor app on your PC or phone. You'll need permission to read and write the file. If prompted, grant it. These steps minimize risk and get you immediately into the editable data. You now open the copy in your editor and search for clear identifiers like wrestler names or obvious numeric values. Once located, change stats by editing numbers exactly as formatted. Maintain leading zeros or decimal placement. Make incremental edits, then save each iteration under a new file name so you can revert if something breaks. After editing, compare file sizes and checksums. Large differences can indicate corruption. You're ready to re-import. Copy your edited file back into the game folder and ensure file permissions match the original so the game can read it. Then launch Wrestling Empire and immediately check the areas you changed, wrestler stats, cache, unlocked items, to confirm the edits applied. If the game fails to load or values look wrong, quit and restore the last working backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if corrupted, revert to your prior backup and repeat edits with smaller changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.